Welcome to 21178 93 Avenue in Walnut Grove, Langley, BC. Prepare to be awed. This spacious home features 4 bedrooms and den and 3 bathrooms. The kitchen is totally renovated. Cabinets, countertops, flooring, new appliances. And walk right out to your outdoor area. Let's take a look downstairs, which features the den, a great big media room, and the 4th bedroom with another full bathroom. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is David Crawford. I'm with eXp Realty. Please feel free to contact me. Look forward to seeing you at the open house.